What's going on, YouTube family? The man Mr. ZX Predator coming at you with another video. Now, I do want to apologize for my recent absence. It's just been a lot going on in terms of work, military duty, and whatnot. A lot of changes, especially on my military side, that I had to process. Coming to the realization that my time potentially is coming to an end. I'm coming up on 19 years of service, and just wrapping my head around that, priorities coming up. But I did want to give a channel update. I got some things that I have to put out there, but I do want to give a shout out to Big Blue, Q, and Big J. And shout out to Corey, who's also featured in the video. He's pretty much the feature here with his ZH2, and let me tell you, that thing is a beast. Kawasaki with some engineering, awesome stuff. But also too, an announcement where, shout out to ZXTV Geo. Yesterday we had a lot of fun. You'll see those videos coming out really soon. And I want to keep the narration a little short, but some things are launching possibly before the holiday season. I do want to actually interact with you guys, like on the Discord, for those of you who want to participate, talk about some topics, biking, advice, DIY, things like that. Just want to collect some data and just create a conversation, like Power Cloud, Snake, the rest of the folks that are in the group. It'll be some good stuff, but enjoy the rest of the video. You're gonna see that H2, oh man, if you just let it get out in front of you, there's a lot of work, even with the built work that I got. But yeah, this is on the heels of Corey winning the bike at the event, the KLX. It couldn't have happened to a better guy. One of the coolest people I know. But sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video. ZX Predator. See you in a bit.